A severe thunderstorm capable. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for Gloucester County in Center, New Jersey until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Swedesboro, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, siding. Entries: this includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike routes 295, 55, 322, and 47. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.